Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, third year class? I hope you will be enjoying safe and sound health and with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear students, welcome to my English class. And as you know that we started yesterday our third poem, that is the new resolution. And I told you yesterday that what is a resolution beta. What is a resolution? The you can say the decision, फैसला जो होता है बेटा, रेजोल्यूट मीन फैसला कर लेना, पुख्ता इरादा करना, ठीक है, ये दिस इज कॉल्ड रेजोल्यूशन. रेजोल्यूट इज अ वर्ब and resolution is a noun. So beta, the author is saying that, the poetess is saying that she is making three resolution in this poem beta. She has expressed her resolution that are quite unique and different. And at the before beginning of new year beta, it is essential for all the people to have some resolutions in their life, because by adopting and by following those resolutions, it will change your life. I mean to say, if you are badly in habit of something, you can say messing different things and quarreling, if you have quarreling nature, and if you do other things that are not very good according to you, so better try make a list and cut those habits that you have. ठीक है, उन habits को cut करें. जैसे you can see in this picture that pay off debts, save money, lose weight, okay, eat healthy, okay, love parents, ठीक है ना. तो these are the resolutions that are made by somebody. So in the same way, the author, the poetess, she also made different kinds of resolution, and her resolutions are quite unique. But Elizabeth Sewell, as I told you yesterday, that she was American critic and poet and novelist, and she wrote about the connection between science and literature. ठीक है बेटा. So as I explained the very first stanza yesterday, like I will drain long draughts of quiet as a purification. Okay beta, she wanted to purify her soul, and for that purpose she will keep and quiet. ठीक है बेटा. So for keeping for attaining or for getting the purity of our soul, it is very necessary to spend some time in isolation. थोड़ा सा हम तन्हा भी बेटा होके बैठे, यानी कि हर टाइम रश हो और हर टाइम हम लोगों के दरमियान में घुसे रहे. हैव सम टाइम फॉर यू, अपने आप के लिए बेटा कुछ वक्त निकालना चाहिए ना हमें. ठीक है. सो this should be our resolution. So beta, the context जो है, it is the same that I told you yesterday. I repeat it before starting the second stanza. Okay, first of all, reference that these lines have been taken from the poem New Year Resolution and composed by Elizabeth Sewell. And the context, it will be, in this poem the poetess throws light on the blessings of self-examination. The process of self-examination ennobles and purifies one's soul. The poetess wants to take stock of her past misdeeds and wrongs in a rational manner. ठीक है. Her aim is to lead a better life at the start of new year. Beta, this is the context that you will put in before explaining the stanza. First step is reference, then context, and then explanation. ठीक है बेटा. So let's start our second stanza, that is, remember twice daily who I am. Okay beta. Now look at another different and unique you can say resolution, that remember she would try to remember twice a day. So how will you start explaining the line that in these lines, ठीक है ना, in these lines the poetess wants to know her true identity. Why she is saying that who I am mean it's identity of the poetess. So she wants to know her true identity before she greets the new year. ठीक है. Before she welcomes the new year, she wants to know her own identity, that who is she. ठीक है ना. सो इट इज़ द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट ड्यूटी ऑफ एवरी मैन टू नो हिम और हर सेल्फ. ठीक है ना बेटा, मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था कि सेल्फ रिकग्निशन इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड इट विल लीड यू, इट विल गिव यू comfort and satisfaction, and it may purify your soul, because self recognition or self examination is very important. मीन टू से सेल्फ, बेटा आप कैसे अपने आप को सेल्फ एनालाइज करोगे? इन द सेम वे दैट मेक अ लिस्ट, and I know that, and as all of you know that all the people in the world, they are very much well aware of their doing, but the thing is that we don't bother it. ठीक है ना, अगर हमारी कोई हैबिट है तो दूसरे से डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं तो बेटा we should try to get rid of that habit ना, हमें उस हैबिट को ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए. But here people, they are the lawyers of their actions and the judge of other people's action. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा. A person should be judge of his own action. हमें अपने एक्शन का जज होना है बेटा. हमें देखना है कि where are we wrong, हम कहाँ पे गलत हैं, एंड where why the other people are not happy with us. ठीक है ना, एंड इफ पीपल आर हैप्पी विद अस देन व्हाट इज द रीजन दैट टेक देम क्लोज टू अस. सो बेटा मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ योर गुड थिंग्स एंड बैड थिंग्स एंड ट्राई टू कट the column of the bad things before starting new year. So she is saying that I would remember twice a daily that who I am. The moral consciousness will not let him, but if a person is wrong, so the moral consciousness, it will not let him fall into evil ways. The poetess wants to take stock of herself twice a day. She is there to face the reality of the wickedness of her soul. मीन टू से कि बेटा हमारी जो सोल है, हमारी जो रूह है, उसके अंदर अच्छी चीज़ें भी हैं. सोल तो हम कहते हैं ना कि आवर सोल इज़ प्योर. इट इज़ द एक्शंस, इट इज़ आवर बैड एक्शंस. ठीक है ना, हमारे इंसानों के बेटा बुरे एक्शंस होते हैं विच विल मे यू कैन से जज द आवर सोल. जैसे हमारी रूह को गंदा कर सकते हैं जो हमारे बेटा अपने बुरे एक्शंस होते हैं. सो इन ऑर्डर टू मेक आवर सोल प्योर एंड यू कैन से परफेक्ट, सो वी शुड try to eradicate all bad things from our inside, and it will give us a purity. ठीक है ना, when you can say wash your soul, ठीक है ना, आप from the evil ways, जो आपके अंदर बुरी आदत हैं, ठीक है, उनसे अपनी रूह को धो दोगे, so it will a new and you will become new. ठीक है ना बेटा, when you will wash away all the evil conceits that you have, and by self recognition you are hoping that you would get rid of all these things, so you will, before starting new year you will be a new person. ठीक है ना, so it is very important for you to have some like these things like this. ठीक है ना, quiet people have the loudest mind. So बेटा next third stanza है, the very last stanza, will lie all night in the bonny arms of reality and be comfortable. Okay beta, this is the last and third stanza of the poem, and in this poem the modern poetess, that who is Elizabeth Sewell, she says that will lie all night in the bonny arms of reality. I mean to say कि what will she do next, that she will face the reality of life. ठीक है ना बेटा, that's what, and always remember that reality is a very bitter thing. बहुत ही bitter तल्ख चीज़ है when we are in, you can say, face to face with the reality. So there are very few people who can stand that reality, जो कि उस reality का सामना कर सकें बेटा. Reality is not a very easy thing. ठीक है ना, so what is he saying, that will lie all night. ठीक है, night mean रात, तो कहता है कि रात के टाइम वो क्या करेगी, will lie on the night in the bonny arms. she will lie, she will sleep, और कहाँ पे बेटा सोएगी वो, in the bonny arms of reality. के बेटा bonny arms में वो sleep करेगी. mean to say कि she is not afraid of knowing her shortcomings. At night she wants to meditate about the shortcomings of her nature. It is the discovery of a true self which helps her in reforming his weak points. The dawn of reality will not be annoying to her. She will accept the reality and feel comfortable before it. Mean to say, the reality that the mirror that will show her her weakness, it won't bother her. She would not be terrified by knowing her weak comings, but she would, you can say, take it. She would embrace it with an open heart, because we should, you can say, be very much aware of our shortcomings. So the poetess, while she is very aware and she has seen the reality, so she is saying that in the bony arms of reality, as you know that bony arms का बेटा यहाँ पे जो एक हम कह सकते हैं पॉइंट या वर्ड यूज किया है bony arms, so it's mean the reality is always bitter. ठीक है ना, बिटर है, उसके बोनी आर्म्स है. मीन टू से कि रियलिटी जो है ना, देयर आर नॉट मैनी पीपल हु कैन बियर द रियलिटी ऑफ देयर ओन. देखिए वो लोग क्या हैं, वो किस तरह के हैं. तो बेटा इस किस्म की रियलिटी को बर्दाश्त करना लोगों के लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल है. सो द पोएट्री इज सेइंग दैट यू लाई ऑन नाइट, मीन टू से कि एट नाइट व्हेन शी विल sleep, she will sleep in the bony arms of the reality. She will, you can say, confess her own misdealings, or she would confess her weak points. उसको समझेगी, understand करेगी. And when she had understood each and everything, when she had come across with all these things, so what will be the next step? And be comfortable. बेटा कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगी. व्हेन यू हैव योर सेल्फ एनालिसिस, और अब बेटा अपने आप को आप कर लेते हो, अपने आप को ठीक कर लेते हो, सो यू बिकम कंफर्टेबल, आप कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हो. ठीक है ना. सो इट मेक्स योर सोल वेरी लाइट, एंड योर इनसाइड इज फिल्ड विद द लाइट ऑफ प्योरिटी एंड हैप्पीनेस. ठीक है बेटा. सो दिस वाज द थर्ड स्टैंजा दैट इट ट्रांसलेटेड. आई एक्सप्लेन in front of you, and I hope that all of you have well understood this poem. Okay, and beta in the end, when you will be comfortable, so it means this thing will give you satisfaction. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me, for attending the lecture, and I hope that all of you have well understood. And beta I want to say something, that if there is any difficulty or you are not understanding my point, so you can ask me, मुझसे पूछें. आई विल वेट फॉर योर फीडबैक, एंड आई होप दैट यू गेट very good marks in your paper. It is my prayer for you people, and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Remember me in your prayers.